Hey everybody, just want to test out some animations for the C-130H that's going to be going into my Mansfield lamb scenery. So I got different animations. So this model, there'll be different copies of this model after I get it all weathered and painted on the exterior. And each model will have its own type of animation. So I had to map all the animations at once for now. I'll fine tune it for later on. But anyway, just show you. I have 120 frames and I have the propellers mapped. I have the rear door mapped and the side door mapped. So this is what it looks like animated. So we got the propellers going, the side door goes down. Now it's going to just loop. But here's the rear door. So yeah. So I'll probably have these go down a little bit slower. Let's go inside and see the action from the inside. See what happens. Alright, so that door's going down with the staircase, and let's turn around toward the back. And then that goes down like that. Alright. Just a test. That's all I'm doing. This is the interior. Got some textures that I finally put on the walls and got some real rails here. I'm also going to have one scene where they're putting some pallets aboard. So yeah, there you go. See you later.